Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Meet again with me, Mahalatun Faiko from English Education Department 2. And my number is T 2019-6062. Actually, I made this video to fulfill the final examination of phonetic and phonology subject. So today, I'm going to discuss about the roles of phonology and prosodic phonology. Keep on watching! Okay, so for the first, I'm going to talk about the phonological rules or the roles of phonology. Before it, do you know about phonological rules? Okay, phonological rules is a speech process which happens natural that can be understood by speaker and listeners, and how speech sound from patterns in mid. Okay, and there is a lot of feature in phonological rules. And the first one is assimilation. The second one is dissimilation. The third one is deletion. And the fourth one is insertion. Okay, for the first is assimilation. Assimilation is the sound change one of its feature to be more similar to an adjacent sound. For example, is winter become winter, center become center. Kill him is not pronounced is kill him, but kill him. The sound H of him alters to L, as the preceding word is H with L, so it is pronounced is killing. Okay, the second one is dissimilation. Dissimilation is when a sound changes one of its features to become less similar, and usually to make the two sounds more distinguishable. For example, is England in Old English and England in Modern English. Okay, the third one is deletion. When a sound such as translate syllable or weak consonant is not pronounced. For example, is more American English speakers is not pronounced D in handbag and K in new. Okay, the third one is insertion. Insertion is a phonological process in which a sound adds to word. For example, is film. We can see the word there are 4 letters. F, I, L, and M. But we can pronounce it and there are 5 letters. F, I, L, A, and M. We insert a sound between L and M, so we can pronounce it film. Okay, the next discussion, I'm talking about prosodic phonology. Prosody is referred to the study of the tone and rhythm of speech and how this feature contribute to meaning. And what is the prosodic phonology? Prosodic phonology is a theory of the way in which the flow of speech is organized into a finite set of phonological units. There are 4 types of prosody. The first is tone, the second is stress, the third is length, the fourth is intonation. Okay, the first one is tone. Tone is a linguistic variation in pitch of the voice to distinguish lexical or grammatical meaning. And the second one is stress. Stress is a property of syllable and is the degree with which a sound or a syllable is pronounced. And a stressed syllable is pronounced with the more energy, usually louder and sometimes on higher pitch there may be even longer. For example, about, potato, apartment, and each other. Okay, the third one is length. Length is a time duration of speech sound. length in Indonesian language is turned of kamu, 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 arsan. But not in Arabic. The word which is pronounced amin is different from amin. Meanwhile, amin is different from amin. We can see that the Arabic is very meaningful. Okay, the last is intonation. Intonation is the patterns of rises and falls in pitch occurs range of speech such as a sentence. Okay, I think this enough my discussion about the roles of phonology and prosodic phonology. I think this enough for me. Always stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you for your watching. See you next time and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.